Lesson: Privacy concerns with AI in cyber defense. Privacy concerns with AI in cyber defense are multifaceted and stem from the dual-edged nature of artificial intelligence technologies. While AI offers significant advancements in identifying and mitigating cyber threats, it simultaneously raises critical issues related to the privacy of individuals and organizations. AI's capability to process vast amounts of data to predict and neutralize threats necessitates access to extensive datasets, which often include sensitive and personal information. This presents inherent risks to privacy as the handling, storing, and processing of such data could lead to unintended exposures or misuse. AI systems in cyber defense typically rely on machine learning models that require large datasets for training. These datasets often contain personally identifiable information or other sensitive data. The primary privacy concern arises from the need to collect, store, and analyze this data to enable AI systems to function effectively. For example, intrusion detection systems powered by AI must analyze network traffic to identify potential threats. In doing so, they may inadvertently capture sensitive data such as emails, personal messages, or proprietary business communications. The collection and analysis of this data could lead to privacy breaches if not managed correctly. Moreover, the use of AI in cyber defense involves continuous monitoring and surveillance, which can be perceived as invasive. The constant scrutiny of network activities and communications by AI systems can create a sense of being perpetually watched, undermining individuals' and organizations' privacy expectations. This form of surveillance can be particularly troubling in contexts where there is a lack of transparency about how data is being collected, who has access to it, and how it is being used. The deployment of AI in cyber defense also raises concerns about consent and data ownership. Often, individuals and organizations are unaware that their data is being used to train AI models or that it is subject to continuous monitoring. This lack of informed consent can lead to ethical dilemmas and legal challenges. For instance, if an AI system inadvertently exposes sensitive information during a cyber defense operation, it could violate privacy laws and result in significant legal repercussions. Another critical issue is the potential for bias in AI algorithms used for cyber defense. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if this data contains biases, the AI system can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can lead to unfair targeting or profiling of certain individuals or groups, raising ethical and legal concerns. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that disproportionately represents certain types of users as threats, it may unfairly target individuals from specific demographic groups, leading to discriminatory practices. The privacy concerns associated with AI in cyber defense are further compounded by the challenges of ensuring data security. AI systems themselves can be targeted by cyber attackers who may seek to exploit vulnerabilities to gain access to the sensitive data these systems process. Additionally, there is the risk of data breaches resulting from improper handling or storage of data used by AI systems. Ensuring the security of this data is paramount to protecting privacy, but it is a complex and ongoing challenge. To address these privacy concerns, several measures can be implemented. First, adopting a privacy-by-design approach in the development and deployment of AI systems can help mitigate risks. This involves integrating privacy considerations into the design and architecture of AI systems from the outset, rather than as an afterthought. Techniques such as data anonymization, encryption, and differential privacy can be employed to protect sensitive information while still allowing AI systems to function effectively. Second, transparency and accountability are crucial. Organizations deploying AI for cyber defense must be transparent about their data collection and usage practices. Clear policies and guidelines should be established to inform individuals and organizations about how their data is being used and the measures in place to protect their privacy. Additionally, mechanisms for accountability should be implemented to ensure that any misuse or breaches of data are promptly addressed. Third, robust legal and regulatory frameworks are essential to safeguard privacy in the context of AI in cyber defense. Existing privacy laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, provide a foundation for protecting personal data. However, these frameworks need to be continually updated and refined to keep pace with the advancements in AI technology and the evolving threat landscape. Furthermore, interdisciplinary collaboration is key to addressing the privacy concerns associated with AI in cyber defense. Experts in AI, cybersecurity, law, and ethics must work together to develop comprehensive strategies that balance the need for effective cyber defense with the imperative to protect privacy. This collaborative approach can help identify and mitigate potential risks and ensure that AI systems are deployed in a manner that respects individuals' rights and freedoms. In conclusion, while AI offers significant potential for enhancing cyber defense capabilities, it also presents substantial privacy challenges. The collection, storage, and analysis of sensitive data by AI systems, coupled with the risks of surveillance, bias, and data breaches, necessitate a careful and considered approach. By adopting privacy by design principles, ensuring transparency and accountability, establishing robust legal frameworks, and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration, it is possible to harness the power of AI for cyber defense while safeguarding privacy. The ongoing dialogue and efforts in this domain will be critical to navigating the complex interplay between AI, cybersecurity, and privacy in the years to come.